topic is called Solving a Word Problem on Proportions Using a Unit Rate. Now, a proportion is two fractions that are equal to each other, and a unit rate is a rate that is involves one of the units just being equal to one. So PS, please subscribe to my channel and like any videos that are helpful to you. So if we were to set this up as a proportion, we would have 16 inches over 96 cents. And we would set it equal to, we just need to make sure that inches and cents are in the same place on the fraction if you have the equal sign. So we have 13 inches of wire and we want to know how much that costs, like how many cents would it cost? Okay, so the way we do this using a unit rate is the rate that they give us. So the 16 over 96, we're going to try to reduce that. So one of the numbers, either the numerator or the denominator, will be equal to 1. So first we're going to check to see if 16 goes into 96, and it does. It goes in 6 times. So we can divide both of those by 16. We get 1 and 6. So what this means is every inch, it costs 6 cents. So if we have 13 inches, we can do 13 times 6 and get 78 cents. And that's what we would type in here. All right, let's do another one. We have $153 for 9 hours of work. So I bet 9 goes into 153. If we add 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 3 is 9. So it does. 153 is divisible by 9, which is 17. So it is $17 for every hour. So if we want to know how many hours would you have to work to make $289, we know that however many hours it is that he has to work, we're going to times it by 17 to get to 89. So we're going to do 17 times however many hours, and we're going to get $289, which means we need to divide by 17. So we take 289, divide by 17, and we get 17. So he would have to work 17 hours. And let's do one more. Okay, so we have 845 miles in 13 hours. So we're going to divide 845 miles by 13 hours to see how many miles per 1 hour we've got. So that would be 65. So 65 miles per hour. And how many miles would she drive in 7 hours? So we're saying every hour is 65 miles and there's 7 hours. So we're going to multiply 7 by 65. So let me just double check that. 65 times 7. Check my math. Yeah, 455. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.